Have you ever imagined what really happens inside a beehive? At first glance, it looks like just a swarm of bees, but behind those wax walls lies a secret universe. The hive is a living city, organized in layers where every bee fulfills a vital function. Nothing inside happens by chance. It is like observing an invisible society, so efficient that it surpasses even human metropolises. Inside, the temperature is controlled, food is stored, and even security is planned with military precision. Worker bees never rest, constantly building and repairing each honeycomb cell with geometric perfection. Meanwhile, honey is produced and stored like liquid gold, the essential fuel for the entire colony. But what fascinates scientists is that all of this happens without visible leaders, only through invisible signals. It is as if the hive were a living laboratory, where chemistry, biology, and physics converge in perfect harmony. Every wing beat, every vibration, carries hidden information that preserves the order inside. All of this happens silently, hidden away, and yet it sustains not only the bees but the life surrounding them. Flowers, plants, and even other animals depend on the balance of this tiny hidden world. In the next minutes, we will dive deep into this secret universe and uncover the mysteries that make the hive so extraordinary. At the very heart of the hive lives the queen bee, the single individual that carries the destiny of the entire colony. She does far more than lay eggs. She controls the genetic future of the hive. Her power lies in invisible chemical signals known as pheromones, secret codes that command the workers' every move. These signals tell the workers when to feed larvae, how to maintain order, and even how to defend against invaders. It is as if the queen were the chief scientist of a living laboratory, constantly balancing the chemistry of her colony. Worker bees obey these silent commands with absolute loyalty, keeping the hive functioning like a perfect biological machine. Even human science, advanced as it is, cannot replicate this flawless system of communication. But when the queen weakens or disappears, chaos threatens. A mysterious process of succession begins. Workers select a few special larvae, feeding them royal jelly, a powerful substance that can transform destiny. From these chosen ones, a new queen will emerge, but only after a battle for survival. When the first new queen hatches, her instinct is to destroy her rivals before they can be born. The hive holds its breath, for this single moment will decide the future of thousands of lives. Through chemistry and power, the hive ensures its survival. The queen is not only a mother, she is the mind of the colony. If the queen is the brain of the hive, then the workers are its heart and hands. They are countless, tireless, and together form the hidden machinery that keeps everything alive. Each worker has a specific role. Some clean, others build, many feed the larvae, and some guard the entrances like soldiers. The builders secrete wax from their bodies and carefully mold it into perfect hexagons. No engineer has ever matched their geometric precision. The foragers fly miles away, mapping flowers with incredible accuracy, and always returning to the hive without getting lost. To share directions, they perform the famous waggle dance, a coded movement that points the way to nectar. Others stand guard at the entrance, ready to sacrifice themselves if an intruder approaches. Their sting may cost them their life, but it saves the colony. Inside, nurse bees gently feed larvae with a special blend of honey and pollen, ensuring the next generation thrives. Every action, every wing beat is synchronized in a rhythm that never stops day or night. This collective effort creates a living factory, where energy is transformed into honey, wax, and life itself. And yet, none of them act for themselves. Each worker exists only for the good of the colony. The workers are silent scientists, guardians and builders of a civilization more ancient than ours. Hidden from our eyes, they remind us that the smallest creatures can build the most extraordinary worlds. Deep inside the hive, a golden treasure is produced, honey. It is more than food, it is the alchemy of nature itself. Worker bees collect nectar from thousands of flowers, storing it in their bodies and transforming it through enzymes. Back in the hive, the nectar is passed from bee to bee, changing chemically with each exchange. Then, with tireless wing beats, they evaporate the water inside the nectar until it becomes thick and sweet. When the process is complete, each cell is sealed with wax like a jar closed by nature's own hands. Honey is energy, medicine, and preservation. It can last for centuries without spoiling, an eternal food. But honey is not only for bees. It sustains countless animals, and for humans, it is a gift of sweetness and healing. Its antibacterial properties protect the hive from disease, acting as a natural shield against decay. Scientists still marvel at how such a tiny creature creates a substance so perfect and powerful. Each drop of honey is a fragment of thousands of flowers, condensed sunlight captured in golden form. It is the most beautiful evidence of the bond between bees and the natural world around them. In the hive's secret laboratory, honey is not just food, it is proof of nature's genius at work. Inside the hive, silence does not mean stillness. Bees communicate through vibrations, dances, and scents, an invisible language of survival. The waggle dance shares directions to flowers, distances, and even the quality of nectar found. Through this coded ballet, information spreads instantly, guiding foragers like living satellites. When danger approaches, alarm pheromones fill the air, summoning defenders to the hive's gates. This unity is the reason the colony survives. No bee is alone, all exist for the greater whole. But today a shadow looms over these creatures. Pesticides, habitat loss, and climate change threaten their existence. Without bees, crops fail, ecosystems collapse, and life as we know it begins to crumble. Scientists race to protect them, studying their biology to find ways of ensuring their survival. But the true secret lies not in controlling bees, but in preserving the world they depend on. They are the heartbeat of nature, small but mighty, carrying the future of countless species. Every hive is a secret laboratory, every bee a scientist of survival, every drop of honey a miracle of life. If we protect the bees, we protect ourselves. Their survival is our survival. The secret of the hive is also the secret of life.